Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
It's another very important meeting with Mr. President.
Very well.
What may we know about this meeting?
It's one of assurance. I think our meeting today is for us to review the entire security situation in the country. The president is concerned about what's going on, and we have reassured him that we're on top of our game. We're working extremely very hard. What has happened of recent is that there's a global push by terrorists and jihadists all over the Sahel area, and that pressure is what actually came into Nigeria because of the nature of our borders. And so we have, Mr. President has given directives as to what to do next for us to intensify all efforts, collaborate with all our sister countries around, because it is the porous nature that is coming there that is actually aggravating our own issues on ground. And so all our theaters have been enhanced, equipments have been bought. Mr. President has also given us much approvals for air assets and other aspects of security. And like we said, it's not only the kinetic effort, the non-kinetic aspects that is most important. The President is also looking at the aspects of also discussing with governors for their own support, buy-in in ensuring that we, dividends of democracy also extends to the communities to be able to stamp down the issue of insecurity. And we're working together. You can see we're together with the National Security Advisor, the NSA, the DGDSS, and all other ones. So we're working together as a team. And you can see us here, members of the armed forces, working in unity, including the police, to make sure that Nigeria is peaceful. And that is our mandate, and that we work towards. We want to appeal to all Nigerians not to get tired. And they should be wary of fake news. There's a lot of fake news that has been spread out, making it look, most of the videos being circulated are videos from other countries or old videos, making it look as if it is soon. And you know, you always want to wonder, why do some individuals feel happy when things go bad in their country? If Nigeria is destroyed, all of us will go down. And so it is important that we all cooperate with members of the armed forces and security agencies. If we see something that is going wrong anywhere in the country, let us report. Action will be taken, including our own personnel. If we see them doing what is not supposed to be done, they should take a report and we'll take action. We want to thank all Nigerians for the support we've been getting. Thank you.
It's good to know that the president has given you this new momentum to improve on what you've been doing, and you are giving the assurance too. Some governors have been raising concerns, Borno, Plateau, and some of them. What assurance are you giving the residents of those states now?
Yeah, we're working together. You know, not long ago we went to the northeast together with the ministers. The Chief of Defense and other services have gone. Yesterday I just came out from Maiduguri to show you that we're working together with all the governors, because we know we cannot do it alone. We need also the governors to be part of it. The federal government is doing so much. States need to come in, local governments and communities. Everyone has a role to play in ensuring that there's peace in Nigeria, and that's what we try to push, and that's what we're doing. And we're happy that Nigerians are warming up to it. Disregarding all those ones, you know, there are naysayers, those ones that don't mean us well. We're shaming them, because we're going to continue to succeed. That we assure all Nigerians. To jama'a barka dai, mun gode yau mun samu shugaban kasa mun zo na mu yi magana akan ainihin yadda aikin tsaro yake a kasa. Mun san yana da damuwa, shi ma ya nuna muna damuwan shi yadda abubuwa suke tafi, amma mun tabbatar mishi cewa muna aiki tare. Dukkan mu kaga yadda muke nan, duk mun dauka wajen awa biyu muna magana akan abubuwan da ke faruwa. Mun dauki mataki da mu tabbatar cewa wannan kashe-kashen da ake faruwa, wannan dauke-dauken da ake yi duk an bari. Muna roƙan jama'a kada su gaji. Domin abin da muka gane, akwai waɗansu jama'an da suke jin daɗi in abu ya faru zai same mu, in sojoji an kashe su a wani wuri ya kama wuta, abin bai kamata ya haka ba, kuma kada mu yadda irin mutanen su samu wurin zama. Duk wanda suke taimakon 'yan ta'adda din, abin da yasa suke ci gaba kenan, domin ana ba su gudunmuwa, masu ba su kuɗi, masu ba su ruwa, suna kai musu abinci and all this, su bari. In mun haɗa kai da masu 'yan tsaro suna son wannan abin yayin da Najeriya za ta zama da lafiyan ciki. So abin da muke roƙa, kada a gaji, in an ga abin da bai kamata ba a yi reporting, za mu ɗauki mataki.